What's the meaning of blogroll? Blogroll. Blogroll.
Blogroll. Blogroll. A blogroll is a list of links to other blogs that a blogger recommends or wants to share with their readers. The purpose of a blogroll is to increase the visibility and exposure of other bloggers by directing traffic to their websites. Blogrolls can be found on the sidebar, header, or footer of a blog and can range from a few links to dozens or even hundreds, depending on the blogger's preference. A blogroll can also serve as a way for bloggers to connect and build relationships with other bloggers in their niche or industry. Overall, a blogroll is a useful tool for promoting and supporting the blogging community.